but commit to it. Because like you said, like the universe, it's almost like it's testing you. Like, is he really ready to unlock the next level of this game?
Exactly.
Because the responsibilities are going to be far greater. The challenges are going to be far greater. He's going to carry a whole lot more stress, and there's going to be a lot more people counting on him.
Exactly.
Is he ready for this burden? Are you ready for it? What's the best piece of advice that anyone's ever given to you?
I've been giving a lot of advice, man.
That's a hard one, huh?
Best piece of advice that anybody's ever...
That question would have caught me off guard too, bro.
Man.
I don't know how I'd answer it.
I'll tell you one of the best, and why it hit me so hard is because I was living in that moment. Shout out my man Chris Jefferson, another one of my mentors. He always said, it's okay to be at your rock bottom. You can get comfortable with it because think about it, ain't nowhere else but to go but up.
Yeah.
Right? Ain't nowhere else but to go but up. So if you at your rock bottom, you're like, dang, ain't nothing else that this is terrible, this is bad.
But, and there's always a but after it, right?
If I keep working, ain't nowhere else but to go but up.
Yeah.
And so when he used to tell me that used to hit me because I'm like, okay, this can't last forever. Something's gonna give, and it ain't gonna be me. So if you're at your rock bottom, it's okay.
There's no place to look but up.
It ain't no place but to look but up. Ain't no place but to go but up. So keep climbing. ET, you know, I listen to Eric Thomas is actually like my morning alarm clock.
Yeah.
One of his things, alarm clock, and one of his things he always says is, "You going through hell? Why would you stop? Why are you gonna stop there? Keep going." And the reason you better keep up and keep walking, man.
Yeah.
It's okay to fall. Just make sure you get up. Keep walking. But because I feel like during like these business, a lot of us as business people and entrepreneurs, especially when you're first starting out, it's creating that thick skin. So that's just the universe tests you, asking, are you gonna fold? You gonna fold now? I'm gonna lay this on you. You gonna fold now? How you gonna act? Right?
You're not going to unlock that next level to success until you crack that code, right? At the current level where you're at. You can't skip a step, right? You can't. So you got to put in the work, right? You got to take the punches. You got to have the tenacity to never give up, right? But commit to it. Because like you said, like the universe, it's almost like it's testing you. Like, is he really ready to unlock the next level of this game?
Exactly.
Because the responsibilities are going to be far greater. The challenges are going to be far greater. He's going to carry a whole lot more stress, and there's going to be a lot more people counting on him.
Exactly.
Is he ready for this burden? Are you ready for it, right?
That's it, bro. And you look back, you like, dang, that testament and the stuff that and it's like a cheat code, though. It's like a cheat code, man, because you get to that next level. You're like, dang, this stuff is so easy. Is it really this easy?
Yeah.
You thinking I'm waking up, man, this can't be this easy right now, man. But I look back on all the stuff that I've been through, like, dang, yeah, I went through a lot to get here.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You know, we used to be hyped about like 40K months. Now I'm like, dang, we only did 40K month.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Crazy, huh?
Like,
sometimes I trip out, dude. I'm like, looking back, dude, I think a curse of being an entrepreneur, it's like you're never content. Right. So even when you're hitting the 100, 200K months, sometimes, bro, it's like you're so forward focused that you forget to look back and realize how far you've come, bro.
Right. It's crazy. It's crazy. And so that used to be the goal, but now that's like when your old goals become like pretty much failures in your next month. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got to work to that point.
Yeah. How do you constantly work towards creating a better version of yourself? Right.
Set higher goals, man.
Mamba.
Like, gotta set higher goals, man. So, for example, like one of our things, we're gonna just hire a bunch of acquisition people coming up here soon, just to expand.
When you say a bunch, how many are you looking at your team?
Maybe like 6 more.
Sheesh.
Like 6 more. Because now we have once you have a process, right? you just plug and play. Of course, little stuff is going to come up in between, but you have a given process that gives you a set number. All you got to do is pick it up, find the market that you want to implement it in, and go from there. Don't get me wrong, it's going to be challenges in between, but I have faith.
Yeah.
I'm going to figure it out.
Straight up. How many markets you plan on deploying with that?
Now I'm not quite sure. We're still doing like data analysis and seeing which ones that we want to do. That's just a rough number.
And you're taking this model from other teams, big time players, right, that are already producing the results, that are putting big time numbers on the board. So you're simply like modeling, right? So success is really just looking at somebody that's already achieving the results that you're seeking. You model their process. You model what they're already doing. No reason to recreate the system, right?
No, why are you gonna recreate the wheel? Just mimic it and make it better.
I'm gonna follow you.
Put rims on it.
I'm gonna follow you in the battle.
Don't recreate the wheel. Get it and put rims on it, man.
Yeah,
make it better.
Straight up. I dig that. Yeah, just soup it up a little bit. Put a turbocharger on it.
There you go. Let's go.
Let's go.
So that's all we're doing. We're mimicking other people's processes, and we're going to implement it in ours.
Yeah.
We have an acronym. I'm sure everybody is heard as KISS. It's just keep it simple, stupid.
Yep.
No need to overcomplicate it. Keep it as simple as possible.
I think wholesalers have a way of taking simple concepts and overcomplicating the process.
Mm-hmm.
That's speaking for myself, dude, because I'm like, I feel like I'm the master of systems, and then you create this big, all clunky machine.
Everything's everywhere now.
How are you going to build a flying machine, dude, if it's clunking on the ground, right? If you really want to elevate, you got to build something that's swift and easy and smooth.
Everybody can read it. Everybody can understand it.
Yep.
So we want to keep everything as simple as possible. So when the next person comes in, they can read it and okay, all right, this is my duty. Okay, this is how I do it. All right, boom, it's ready to go. Bring the next person in. Just read it. All right, boom, ready to go.
And then you're raising up leaders inside of the organization, right? Like vertically integrating. Okay, let's take my leader who's showing those skills, who's got the hunger, who understands our process. Boom, you got the roadmap. Build the team underneath you, right? Mm-hmm. Now you're building pillars inside of your business.
Exactly. That's it.
That's golden. That's how you scale and escape, dude.
Exactly. I like that. Scale and escape. That's all 2022. Scale and escape.
Yeah. That's can't clothier all day. Scale and escape.
There you go.
Dude, that's it, bro. That's how you scale your business and escape the rat race, and you escape the gravity that's holding you right here, right, where you can reach that altitude, bro. Mm-hmm. And then once you get up there, soaring, bro.
Man, that's why you gotta set the goals high, man. You gotta set them so high that they scare you.
Straight up.
I set a number, and I'm like, oh dang, this is a tough number. I can get it, but it's gonna be some work.
Yeah.
You know. So.
I love it, bro. I'm excited to watch the journey, man.
Oh yeah, man. It's gonna be a heck of a journey next year.
Yeah.
It's gonna be exciting. We'll see. See what comes up.
We'll have some cool stories to share at the mastermind, bro.
Oh yeah.
Maxing out on Lake Tahoe. Feet up, dude.
Feet up in a hot tub.
Yeah. That's the cool thing about the camaraderie that you build inside of the space, right? I think most entrepreneurship circles, right? Players that are truly like looking to elevate their game, like you talked about investing in your business, investing in people and relationships. Cool just to come together, bro, at the end of the year, beginning of the year, whenever you do it, celebrate your wins, right? But then lay out the blueprint and figure out how you're going to truly elevate to that next level.
Exactly.
Proximity is power, bro.
Gotta, like I said, the network, the connections, the people, yourself. I think if you do all those things, you're like,
there's no way you can't win. No way you can't win.
Man. You're just connected to everybody.
Yeah.
Everybody you need to be connected to, you're connected to. Focus on yourself. You invest in yourself. You invest in mentors, coaches, personal coaches, one-on-one, masterminds. relationships. Now you have a network, so you can reach out to any one of those 4 people to help you out. You have 4 things to help you out, man. You're going to win. You're setting yourself up. You're setting yourself up to get the dub. Bring it home.
Bring home the dub.
Bring home the dub, baby. You know.
I love it, bro.
It's simple.
That was some solid stuff, man.
Oh yeah.
I think people are going to get a lot out of that, a lot of value. I appreciate you coming out, man.
I appreciate you having me, bro.
You already know, bro.
Appreciate you having me.
This is only the beginning.
Oh yeah.
You're going to have to come out, bro, during summer. Come max out some Lake Murray life, bro. We'll bring out pontoon, some jet skis, and tear it up,
man. I'm with that.
Tear it up.
I'm with that.
I want to get a tent, dude, and we'll set up shop on one of the islands. I've gone as far as thinking I could bring out a generator, bring my DJ equipment, and dude, we just set up on one of these islands and just kick it, dude, play some music.
That'd be dope.
That's living life right there, bro.
Hell yeah.
We'll make it happen.
Hey, let me know. That'll be my weekend escape next summer.
Yeah, let's do it, bro.
I like the Columbia area, man. It's always nice.
It's slower pace, bro.
Yeah, slower pace. You get out the usual, the norm. You know, we was working and then we stopped, went fishing into the lake for a little break.
Yeah.
It's very dope, man. So it's cool, man. I like
simple
it's like
life.
a little simple life, you know.
Yeah.
Enjoy it.
Love it. Hey, you're only 3 hours away, bro.
Yeah. That's why I'm always here. And it's the stop on the way to my mom's house too. So I gotta come straight through here. So I might as well just stop.
Yeah. Columbia's gonna be the hub, dude.
Yeah, man.
The little midway hub.
Yeah, midway hub to my parents, my mom and dad's house in Virginia. So I'm always here. Love being here. Love being all friends here. So
that's what's up, man. Well, you guys, until we see you on the other side, stay great. Stay in the game, and again, never give up.
Never give up. Hey, bet on yourself. You don't know. You just might hit the jackpot.
Let's go.
Double down, bet on yourself. Hit the jackpot. Come out winning.
Come out winning. Get that dub. We out.